today we're going to explore the Microsoft Word. Next is open or choose a blank document and then choose a font style on your own. I choose font style the Times New Roman. Also, I adjust the font size into 12. Then next is the layout of our page. So you have to select margin and customize. On the top of the margin is 1.5 and the left is 2 inches and the bottom is also 1.5 and also the right. Next is we have to put a header and a footer. First is the header and select the blank document with 3 columns. I put my name on the left side. Date of accomplishment on the right side. Next is the footer and I select the style with the 3 documents. Left side, I put the name of the instruction. And on the right side, I put the course code and the course description. In this part, I put the title of my story. After I'm done putting my title, I adjust the font size into 14 and make it bold. Adjust the alignment into center. I just copy the main text and the other document that I prepared. First is you have to click the file and then select this PC and choose the file. Here I highlight all the text and then copy, and then you have to go back on the previous document and then paste the copied text. Next, we will insert an image. We will make sure that the image is inline on the text. You can see how many words on the document below on the left side of the screen. In saving the document, just click on File on the upper right side and then select Save As. You click it and then this PC and rename the document.